In today's video, how to use a reveal sticker for Instagram stories. First, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram app installed. So open App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram and check if there is update. If there is update, tap on Update to update it. Next, open Instagram and tap on the camera icon at the top left corner to create a new story. Choose or capture photo or video that you want to use with a reveal feature. Tap on sticker icon at the top of screen and browse through available stickers and select reveal sticker. Position sticker where you want on your story. You can see preview of how story will look. Switch to another Instagram account, open hidden story with reveal sticker applied, and you will notice content is completely blurred. To reveal story, send a message to the account that posted, and when someone sends you a message, hidden story will automatically reveal to them.